Hello everyone and welcome to the skooza unboxing video. Now to get started you will need an extra pair of hands, neighbor not included. Now let's start off by removing the two straps located at the top of the box. Firmly grab the top of the box and pull away. Pull the tabs open and remove the foam. Grab the front of the frame and the rear and lift out the scooter. Now remove all the protective wrapping. Here, 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 and here. Now let's bring our attention to the hardware box. Inside you will find a skooza sticker, RFID keys to unlock the scooter, and the mounting bracket needed to secure the handlebar. Remove the decorative cover and place the largest screw on top. The two smaller screws will go on the bottom. Raise the handlebars up and insert the tab into the cavity. Align the handlebars and install the mounting bracket. Secure the bottom screws first, followed by the top screw. Now tighten all the screws starting with the bottom screws. Apply equal force. To complete the installation, return the decorative cap. Now let's move on to charging the scooter. The battery is located in the battery bay under the floorboard. Use both hands when lifting the battery. Check the life of the battery here and plug in the charge over here. Plug the battery into the battery bay to power the scooter. A charging port is also located at the front of the scooter. Take your charging cord and note the indicator light change as you plug it in. The battery can also be charged directly from the charger. Place the charging cable into the charging port. Now let's power up the scooter. Locate the box containing two RFID keys. Power on the scooter by holding down the button for 2 seconds. Place the keycard over the display to unlock the scooter. You can toggle through the menu options by pressing the power button. Pump the power button twice to change the speed of the scooter. Now that your skooza is ready to ride, let's talk about some safety tips. Never ride your skooza on the sidewalk. Reduce your speed while riding over uneven surfaces. Do not ride your scooter up or down stairs. Do not take your scooter onto the freeway or highway. Always check your surroundings while riding your skooza. Take caution not to use the throttle while walking the scooter. Use your brake locks to lock the scooter in place. If storing your scooter, your battery must be charged every 30 days regardless of use. A scooter cover is provided to protect your scooter. Thank you everyone for watching the skooza unboxing video. To learn more about skooza, go to skooza.com or follow us on Instagram /GoSkooza.